Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV17. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV17 is making a weird noise, it can be quite concerning. This noise often indicates a problem with the motor or a blockage in the airflow. If left unaddressed, it could lead to more serious damage, affecting the performance of your vacuum and potentially requiring a more expensive repair. Today, we will guide you through resolving this issue. First, you will need a few tools and materials for this repair: a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, a replacement motor for your Dyson SV17, and some clean cloths for any debris. To begin, ensure your Dyson SV17 is completely unplugged. You can safely open the device by locating the screws at the back and bottom of the unit. Using the appropriate screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing, being cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Now that the casing is open, you will need to locate the motor. It is usually situated at the top of the vacuum, where the noise is most prominent. Inspect it for any visible signs of wear or damage. If the motor appears faulty, you will need to extract it for replacement. To do this, disconnect any cables attached to the motor, making a note of their positions for reassembly. Once the cables are free, you can unscrew the motor from its housing. Be sure to remember the type of screws used here, as they can vary in size. When removing the motor, use gentle force to avoid damaging any nearby components. With the old motor removed, take your new motor and position it in the same place as the old one. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are securely attached as they were before. Now it's time to reassemble your Dyson SV17. Carefully align the casing and press it back together, ensuring all clips are securely fastened. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them until they are snug but not overly tight to avoid stripping the threads. Before you plug it back in, take a moment to check if everything is in place and secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once satisfied, plug in your Dyson SV17 and power it on. Listen for any unusual noises. If it runs smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your vacuum. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check for blockages and clean the filters. Keeping your Dyson SV17 well maintained will ensure optimal performance and longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.